go ahead and replace this faucet here with this one these guys sent me, this YardMonet Matte Black faucet. We'll go ahead and go through all the steps of taking this one out and putting this new one in. All right, best way to approach this is clear everything off the top of here to give yourself a nice big work area, and then also everything out from underneath the sink as well, because we're going to be laying down there upside down and looking up into there. This is a super easy installation, and all we're going to do, so this is our model right here. Here's all the pieces that came with it. This here is going to be for the drain. We'll get to that last. Go ahead and install this thing. And all of this stuff, these two gaskets here are going to be below the sink. These are going to go from underneath. And then this gasket here stays up in there. That's a little bit better. So again, these gaskets stay below the sink. This is going to stay above. This is just going to go right on here like that. So go ahead and unthread all of this stuff. Okay, we've removed our gaskets and our bolting clamp there. And then this is just going to go right down through the hole. Okay, minor issue here. We're going to have to drill through the sink just a little bit. This hole is a little bit too small for that. So I'm going to pull this out and widen that hole up a little bit. And the black piece is going to go down there. Bring this stuff down below. All right, here we are underneath the sink. We'll go ahead and slide those gaskets up. Okay, you want this rubber gasket facing towards the sink. That way it creates a seal. So one of the nice things is that horseshoe shape on there, because you don't have to run it up all the way over the ends of the hose. That makes it really nice because you're trying to hold the gaskets up there as well. And so we'll just tighten this up. We're going to adjust these here too. This will put tension on the gaskets there. I'm going to go ahead and back this one out so it's even with this one, and then we'll tighten these up. Now we've got them both the same length. We'll go ahead and crank this down. This will hold it in place real nice. Okay, so the red is for the hot and the blue is for the cold. And the hot is over here on the left, so we're just gonna connect these there. Snug them down. Let's go ahead and turn it on, see how bad it leaks. All right, there we have it. That is a good looking faucet. So just want to do cold. There's our cold water. Hot. Turn it that way. We're going to pull this one out of there and install this one. Nice thing about this is it's spring loaded. There's no switch up above, just like that. So we'll go ahead and get that one disconnected. We're going to start down below. Okay, so this has to get removed. This whole piece here. It's got to get removed, so we're going to go ahead and pull this out of here. So the first thing I'm going to do is just go ahead and disconnect this. Now how this one works is this gasket here is going to stay above this, right? So it's going to go this part here, this part, and this part are going to go below the sink. The part that's going to stay above is this gasket and this right there. So we're going to go ahead and unthread this. Now we've got that unthreaded. This is just going to go right down in here. So you got that there. Slide right up here, thread right back on there. Gasket all nice, cinched up there. All right, there we go. We are all set. Okay, good to go here. Now I'm just checking for leaks down below. Looking all dry down here. Nothing up there. I can feel the water flowing through there nice and smooth. Alright, you guys, pick one of these up. They're easy to install and they're very attractive. Alright, thanks for watching. See you on the next one.